Okay, start.
Hey now, if you want to take your shirt off, leave it on. If you don't, then just leave it on. If you don't want it on, it'll be cold. If you don't want your shoes on, if you have socks on, then it's okay. If you don't have socks on, well, then take your shoes off, and then it'll be cold in the snow. Oh, what's this? Oh.
You're too fast for the camera. Oh, cool. It spins around. Well, I know that. But I bet other people don't.
Okay.
Okay, so get back to your singing. It's funny.
No,
Funny as in cute.
that was a song. Fried. Justin Bieber.
You're Justin Bieber?
That was on my song.
Oh, okay.